Hello! In this video, we'll cover how to install and run Lemonade Server and how to integrate it with Microsoft's AI Toolkit in VS Code. By the end of this video, you'll have AI Toolkit running large language models locally on your PC. AI Toolkit is a Visual Studio Code extension that enables developers to build and test generative AI models locally or in the cloud. There are various tools within AI Toolkit, including Playground, which enables you to interact with your AI models and try different prompts and parameter settings. Prompt Builder, which helps you create, edit, and test prompts. Bulk Run, which enables you to run multiple prompts in a batch. And the Evaluation feature allows AI engineers to easily evaluate their models by uploading a prompt dataset. For the complete list of features and tools, see the AI Toolkit documentation at the link shown here and in the video description. To get started, navigate to the Turnkey ML Releases page. Here you'll find the standalone installer for Lemonade Server. Download by clicking on the file name. You may need to tell your browser that this file is safe to keep. Click Open File to run the installer. Step through the installer where you can select which models you want to download to use with Lemonade. Once installation completes, click Run Lemonade Server. You can also start the server by using the Lemon desktop icon that was added during installation. Once the server starts, launch VS Code and navigate to Extensions, where we can search for AI Toolkit and install it. Once installed, you'll see an icon for AI Toolkit. Next, we want to point AI Toolkit to Lemonade. In the My Models section, click on the plus button. This opens up a menu. Select Add a Custom Model. Enter the path shown here to point to the Lemonade server. Next, enter the model that you want to use. Here we're using Phi 3 Mini for hybrid execution mode, which will run on the GPU and NPU. Keep the default name. Skip the HTTP authentication by pressing Enter. Now that we have AI Toolkit installed, let's try using it. We can use the AI Playground tool to directly interact with the model. For example, let's ask it to write us some code for classifying images using PyTorch. And here we have a response from the model. If we open up our task manager, we can see that we're using both the NPU and iGPU to complete this task. Looking at the code, the answer from the model is pretty good. Now that it's completed, let's try another tool. Let's explore Prompt Builder to create effective prompts with your AI model. I'll use defaults. The model is a math professor, and my prompt asks about the Fourier equation. After clicking Run, we see the model's response. Clicking View Code reveals the generated code snippet, which you can copy into your application. Next, let's look at Bulk Run, which enables you to run multiple prompts in a batch. In this example, I'll use a sample dataset. Then click Run to execute it. As you can see, you can also select Run All to automatically run through all queries. Lastly, let's take a look at the Evaluation tool, which lets you quickly assess your model's coherence, fluency, relevance, and more. First, we click Create an Evaluation. I'm going to use the Glue evaluation, and I'll use a sample dataset. However, I could also use my own dataset. Click Run Evaluation. Once the evaluation completes, the score is shown in the table. And there you have it, LLMs running locally and integrated with Microsoft's AI Toolkit. Thanks for watching. To see other applications that we've tested with Lemonade Server, navigate to the README for Lemonade Server examples found at this link. Or try adding it into your own application and let us know about it at turnkeyml@amd.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to see future content.